I'm Dan. Today I'm gonna teach you about cooking. So, today I'm cooking sausages. 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 Knife. 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 Next is the sausages. Oil, oil, oil. Sausages, sausages, sausages. Cutting board, cutting board, cutting board. Knife, knife, knife. Fire, fire, fire. Stove, stove, stove. Pan, pan, pan. I use a knife to cut the sausage. I use the knife to cut the sausage. I'm frying the sausages. Now eat it with my soup. Just man. With my rice. Nó burn rồi còn đâu. Burn đi xì lì rồi nè. I'm using this to flip the sausages or they will get burned. Already. Today I'm done with the cooking. Today we were learning about cooking, cooking, cooking. And you call it a chef, a chef, a chef. Goodbye. Please learn with Dan later.